Tapos na yung kaduan.
Dua po ito. Mamusuon.
Tapos tangon.
First turnover from Momope.
5K.
Romby Loyola. Numero 13. Loyola. Estelba Escalante. Speedy. Binitbit. Up! Federico. Follow up by Federico. Bat. Pilyon. It's a foul. Numero 29. First personal foul. Loyola. Unang pagsubok from Federico. Numero 18. Yes! Unang tira. Unang score. Unang shot. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Up! Another one. No illegal entry.
Orlando Magic.
America and Mexico. Okay. Ready for rebound. Federico again. Attempt. Yes! First 2 points from Team Momope. Anasario Rombito Loyola. Loyola carry the ball. Connie behind the pass. 10 to shoot. Loyola again against Federico. Turn around. Underneath. 5. Binali. Rebound by Federico. Federico to Lab. Overspeedy by Lab. Oy, naku po. Amo kinang na. Basket count. Number 19. Foul. First personal foul. Lab, numero 3. Ready for rebound. Final throw from Momoped. Yes! The clutch player from Momoped. Lab. 5-0. Loyola. Searching for a pass by Loyola. Anasario penetrate. Turn around. Off. It's a very clear. It's a traveler. Overpower, overmove, overturn around. Sigura to Escalante, former Atop player. Federico searching for a pass. Sigura underneath, love to Sigura, attempt. Wala. Big rebound by Connie. Looking for a pass by Connie. Connie again, continue. Connie against Federico. Searching for a pass. Loyola. Naghahanap ng basahan. Back to Connie. Connie side step. Big rebound, continue. Second chance. It's a block. Still by Lab. Lab to Federico. Federico to Escalante. To Lab. Score sa S8. 7. Loyola again, dribbling the ball, pick and roll. Up. It's a foul called by referee. Federico. Numero 18, first personal foul. 2-point shot for Loyola. Unang tira. Wala. Southpaw. Ready for rebound, second throw from Loyola again. Wala. Big rebound goes to Sigura. Sigura to Escalante. Escalante with a spin underneath by Chua. Up. Offensive. Very clear. Wahig kung sa Tagalog pa. Hawi. To make long story short, daya. Romby to Loyola. Una anay dribble, antistikang ha. Next time. Bala na hindi ka tikang, basta ka dribble. 4-5 ang oras. Escalante, very intense game. Love to Escalante attempt. No good. Big rebound by numero 37. Protect the ball. Anasario Tocone. Former player from ano galing?
Lasal.
Loyola. Kinaliwa.
2
Ang
points.
galing naman. Basta kaliwiti, tanda gina mo. First 2 points.
Uy, huwag ka lang tao.
Huwag po kita, wala nga lawlaw mo. Ikaw makita ka na. Ha? Basta wala tanda, ha? Loyola. Rombe. Protect the ball by Rombe. Kone, power move. Up. Losing the ball. It's outside. Called by referee. Good morning, coach. LJ. Ah, nice, coach. 3:30.
3:30.
Continue. Sigura 2. Escalante. Former atop clutch player. Escalante again. Searching for a pass. Federico. Back to Escalante. Penetrate from the middle. Underneath. Oh. Doon nagbakod yun man ang mumupid, no?
Nandun balik ka.
Tang nadula lang. Walang bakod. Lagi sila. Sige, sige. Padayon, padayon ah. Play. Sigura. Op, wala.
Huwag pag-init.
Pangalawang tira. Ready for rebound.
Kaya.
Yes, Sigura. Ang dating player na malakas ngayon, malakas pa rin. Loyola against Federico. Anasario. Turn around. Back to Loyola. To Rombe. Rombe peg. Penetrate. Back to gets 10 to shoot.
Grabe.
Kone. It's a double.
Grabe, pinag-break.
Grabe nga depensa rin, no?
Pinsan ni Coach.
What a hard defense from Momoped. Score! Naku po, 8-2.
Grabe ba? Stop.
Very youngest pa ang time, ha? Damo pa oras. 2:20. Sigura searching for a pass. To Federico. Underneath! Oh! Sigura again.
Yaya ito na, no? Time out.
2 minutes, 5.
2 minutes, 5.
Still, same ball. Bola sang Momoped. Time out.
Bye, kung.
Vikings. Warning ko, no? 1 minuto 24 in tapia. Ano tawag daming? Delaying, ha? Warning for delaying.
Score, 8-2.
Warning for delaying.
Back to the ball game. Dapat yun, Dio.
Love. Attempt. Yes! Lumabas. Big rebound to Anasario. Anasario dribbling the ball. Protect by Loyola again. Loyola protect the ball against Escalante. Double team. Loyola again. Protect the ball. Loyola. Double team by Loyola. Kone again. Crossover by Kone. Still.
Go.
Escalante alone. Yes.
14.
Talo lang babayaran ka.
42 points.
What a pressure from Momoped. Look at that defense. Very hard. Again, from the long range, no good. Saved by Kone. And Anasario. Yes. Humihingi ng foul. Humihingi ng foul.
Technical. 37 na. 37 na.
Technical. Numero 37.
Ano to natin? behavior sa titi. Mas like behavior. Kaduwa na na. Sa combo sa ayaw. Kaduwa na.
Technical foul.
Numero 37, called by referee, it's a technical foul.
Kung may foul to, hindi ito magsunod yan. Shoot ah.
Unsportsmanlike behavior ang tawag na gali. Bago ko lang nabalaan ba? Thank you. I-search ko ba tanay kay Google yun? Okay. Continue. Escalante again against Loyola. Chua.
Hindi na pwede.
Tulab.
Basta sali kaya.
Okay. Ang galing naman ng pasahan. Number Loyola. Looking for a pass. Loyola. Another steal. Alone. Love. Yes. 20.
Number
15 segundos remaining time. Kone again against Federico. Kone 10. Loyola against Federico.
3. That's it. Ano ba?
5. Rombe. Attempt. Yes, airball. 2 segundos remaining time. 2 segundos. 2 segundos ang natitirang oras.
15-04 ba?
Oy! Juntayan pa.
Score.
Okay.
15-04.
Score for the first set. 15-4. 4-15. 11-point lead. Avanse, 11 puntos ang Momoped. Lantawonta ang ilanga. Second 5, Momoped from Momoped to Vikings. Lantawonta ang pinakaduwa nga bakod. Nako po ba? Daw wala pa siyaw. Okay. Pare, sadyan eh.
Ang bet ko pito, tapos yung pito ko bet. Huwagin ko ng bala nito.
Vikings, ball position. Okay. Pasok. Second 5.
Oo, sa laol mo.
Pare, may kumpare, pural.
Bakit ba?
Ang taon na ba kung pinakabilog iyang kabuon eh. Tanan, back to point guard. Areño. Salvador.
Philip.
Sa airball. Former player from Atok. And also from MVP Mansaya, Piñol,
Mike Piñol.
Arman. Underneath, looking for a pass. Whoa! What a veteran's move underneath by Agustin. Takbong mayaman ba? Tanan against Sumikat. Hop! Nakuhaan ng foul si kumpare ko ba? Pural, first personal foul. Unang tira wala from Francisco, former player from Atok. Pangalawang tira wala, big rebound by numero Castillo. Piñol, looking for a pass. Agustin to Piñol. Get inside. Wala. Big rebound by Francisco. Quick pass. Power move. Quinto. Numero 11. Piñol. First personal foul. Unang tira. Yes. Oh, kita mo. Left-handed man Japon. Quinto. Second throw, ready for rebound.
Counter.
Nice.
Salam.
May tulokon na uniform, no? Dua. May tulokon na uniform na.
Magic Orlando.
Dua.
Tigdo man.
Underneath! Ang galing naman! Grabe nga aliw. Kinsindihan. Ay sila nga dua, oh. Francisco again sumikat.
Oh,
Yes! What a class player from Atop. What a power move, Francisco. Oh! Last touch again. Last touch by Pinyol. Tanan
Pasahan.
Tanan to Quinto, to Francisco. Francisco against Pinyol. Underneath of another foul. Numero 11. Second personal foul. Time remaining. Okay, ano lang reserve. Ano lang,
Mag-score.
underneath by Tanan.
Rapid eh.
Time out. Momoped. First foul, numero 21.
Score. 19-8.
Pinyol.
Back to the ball game.
Quinto, Francisco, Tanan.
Bilabilit time.
4:49. Attempt Francisco, no good. Big rebound by Pural. Pural to Castillo against Tanan. Protect the ball by Castillo. Back to Pinyol. Pinyol to Sumikat. Back to Pinyol. Get some space. Yes! Good for
2 points.
2 points for Pinyol. Quinto, looking for a pass.
Nice.
Still up. It's another foul by Quinto from Pinyol. 21 in 8.
Hindi kita ko yung boss.
Avanse ang Momoped. Continue. Pinyol to Agustin. Pinyol again. Penetrate. Pull up. No good. Big rebound by Francisco. Pass break quick by Quinto against Pinyol. Yes. Left-handed move for Quinto. Again, Castillo against Salvador. Searching for a pass. Back to Pinyol. Pinyol underneath. Sumikad. Protect the ball. Halas by Francisco. Sumikad to Agustin. Underneath. Oh, ang ganda ng pasa. Ang galing. Quinto again. Against Castillo to Salvador. Yes. Ang ganda ng pasa. No jump ahead ba? Wala lumpat, Agustin. Attempt, pass to Sumikad. Sumikad against Francisco. Dribbling the ball. Penetrate, power move. Oh, yes, it's a last touch from Vikings. Inbound by Sumikad to Pinyol. Pinyol harassing by Salvador. Pull up.
Patay.
Na from Mansaya. MVP. Another press break quick by Quinto. Yes! Wala tao sa babaw. Momo lang. Okay. Castillo to Agustin. Attempt by 3-point. Naku po, wala. Quinto is still by Tanan. Tanan dribbling the ball. Searching for a pass by Tanan. Against Pinyol. Underneath by Wata. Wow! Ang ganda ng alihop. Easy to by Francisco. Castillo to Pinyol. Pinyol, easy the ball. Pinyol to Agustin. Underneath, Pural. Power move by Pural. Turn around. Oy, wala. Tanan pass break. Salvador. Up. Save the ball. Quinto. Still by Castillo. 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 Castillo running shot underneath. Kinuha. Wow.
Pural.
Hindi niya gusto sa mapos. Gusto niya sa budlay. Pural Isito, Mike Compare, 55. Tanan ng Espanyol, Pinyol to Francisco, penetrate of, it's committed foul from Castillo.
6 seconds.
46 seconds, remaining time, 46.
Kaway condition.
Score, 25-16. 25-16. 46 segundos.
Tapos Castillo, kaway condition.
Quinto, attempt, no good, wala. Oo, no. Oy.
May bulos oh, kasi...
Eh,
Ay,
oh. Sumigat, attempt, rainbow, no good. 17, committed foul, 17. Penalty violation. Remaining time, 29 segundos. Tapoy na. Bunday ba lang, heart mo ba? Takap na no?
sabi na eh.
Box!
Box na, box. Box. May mga
Pangalawang tira. Yes. Tanan. Agustin Pinyol. Nawag na. Pinyol again. To Sumikat. Oop. 19. 19 seconds for the second set. 15. Francisco. Save the ball. Salvador. 10. Salvador again. Oh! Isa pa lang. Agustin alone. 5. No more time. Okay, and for the
Go!
second set,
27-17.
Momoped versus Viking. Naku po, pulo, gimana? 27, 17. Ano? Okay. Layo pa na. Second set pa lang. May third, may fourth pa. Third set. Pasok. Landaw ta ang third set. 27, 17. Pasok. Oh, ready. Daw makurita now, ang man. Daw makurita now. 8 minutes for the third set. Play. My idol, De Los Santos.
Kita mo. Hindi mo bati. Undi yun.
Tado. Searching for a pass to Kanto. Kanto, wow! Simple lang ha. Layup. What a simple layup for Kanto.
Short yung number lang.
Power move. It's a foul. Call by referee. Numero 2. Dipo. Do.
Alexa!
Rotate the ball. Wallace. Tumira. Big rebound by De Los Santos. Nakupo. What a center. Joel Embiid. What a profile. My kumpare. Tado again. Tutado. Laba. Wala. Big rebound by numero 14. Dribbling the ball. Numero 14. Continue by number 4. Big rebound by Santos. Santos. Wow. Taas. Karaw plus TL.
First foul, 4.
Numero 4. First personal foul.
Embed from the picture line.
Embed from the free throw line. De Los Santos on the move. Unang tira. Yes.
Counted.
Pre, hindi magtutuod ha, pre. Hindi ko ita. Tutuod mo rin.
Kadlaw sa'yo.
Nako po. Inbound by Momopet. Tado again. To take the ball by Tado, back to Laba. From the middle, Laba again. Underneath by Bigo. Bigo, fade away shot by Bigo. Big rebound by Vikings. What a speed by Tadera. Committed foul by Bigo.
Sir, pa.
Numero 5.
Look, Viking player.
Ang Vikings ko no, ang Balibos, pakilid-kilid lang ang liyok, ang Balibos. Pakilid-kilid. Ang player. Ang Balibos, ang player, pakilid-kilid ko no.
Walang sa siminto.
Naog siminto na. Wala na.
Pero sa piya ko.
Pariyo. Kanto to Tado. Crossover by Tado. Laba searching for a pass. Tado again. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Tado. Pass to Bilbao. Left-handed move. Wala. Big rebound by Laba. Fade away shot. What a shot by fade away. Pass break to Bandera. Penetrate. Still. Laba to Kanto. Kanto alone. Kanto, penetrate to Tado. Tado to Bigo.
Tira!
Bigo attempt.
Wala.
Op. Kinabula. Same ball. Inbound by Laba to Kanto to Tado. 10 to shoot. Underneath. 10 around. Back to Bigo. 5. Back to Laba. Yes! What a buzzer beater from Laba. Momoped. Numeron. Doble. Guadera. Searching for a pass. Still by Momoped. Still by numero 1. Back to Hermosa. Up. Save the ball by De Los Santos. Penetrate. What a power move. Oy! What a power move by De Los Santos. Ubos pwersa.
Sports.
What a body shot.
Foul number.
45.
Numero 45.
Pinakigos po.
Unang tira. Wow! Amat-amat na oh. 24 na. Pulo na lang. Kung ma-shoot pag-ed, siyam na lang.
24 man,
24. Wala. Big rebound by Vikings. Vikings, power move. Sa foul again. Doble 7. Numero na mga gwapo. Doble 7. Laba.
Laba pasensya yan. Si number 2 eh. Number 3. Time.
Remaining time. 3:35. 3:35. Remaining time. Pangalawang tira. Pasok. Pasok. Contado. Numero. Still.
Loose ball 5.
Loose ball foul. Penalty na, Meg.
Warning.
Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang. Warning. Score 34-26. Naku po. 8 na lang. 8 na lang. Ormilosa. Inbound. To Gumban.
Bilat siya.
Still by Laba. Dribbling the ball. Tado. What a... Save the ball. Ormilosa again. Dribbling the ball by Ormilosa. Double team. Back to Padera. Running shot. Ang ganda ng pasa. Power move. Yes. Big rebound by De Los Santos. Wow. Lawan ka da. Laba-laba na ang karaw-kaw. Way labot. May ano pa? Dalitan. Unang tira. Uy, wala.
Second set pa lang, no?
Third na eh. Sa fourth set mabala na. Okay. Namat-amat sa free throw ba? Tag-isa-isa ba? 27. 7 na lang, 7. Kanto. Easy the ball by using by time. 2 minutes. Kanto again. Dribbling the ball to Laba. Back to Kanto. Kanto again, Hermelosa penetrate. Oh, still! Still by Hermelosa. Hermelosa. Oh! What a suicide bomber defense from Vigo.
Time, 135.
135. Grabe nga defense, suicide bomber. Pangalawang tira, Hermel Losa. Big rebound by Kanto. What a box.
Lagid na.
Wala git, wala may nagsunod. Dalawang tira, wala pumasok. 34-27.
132.
1-3 to, 1 minute and 30 to, 1 minute and 30 to. 7-point lead from Momoped. Laba, penetrate by Laba, Bigo, pull up, no good. Rebound by Momoped, wala. Big rebound, second chance. Uy, Laba again. Kinaliwa.
Box! Box!
Back-up shooting, 2 bonus shot for Laba. Remaining time, 1 minute and 2 seconds. Unang tira, Brother of Love. Second throw, ready for rebound. Wala. Last touch by Momoped team. 1 minute, exactly. 1 minute for the third set.
55.
Podera, Lopos, double team, Podera, running, wala. Second chance. Oh,
Penalty, 2 shots.
penalty, 2 shot.
Shooting man dyan, Pondo.
Remaining time, 46. 46 seconds. Podera, unang tira. Yes! May awa ang Diyos. 34-28. Pangalawang tira, from numero 2. Yes! Wingless. 34-29. Kanto to Tado.
40.
40. Back to Kanto. Kanto protect the ball. 35. Back to Tado. 10 to shoot. Tado searching for a pass. 5 to shoot. Rebound goes to Vikings. Save the ball. 20. Cuadera against Tado. Penetrate. Pull up. Oh! Ang galing naman lang. Budlay, kuha pa. What a basket count for Cuadera.
Foul number 2.
Numero 2, committed foul.
Third.
Tado, your third personal foul. Tado. Final throw, bonus shot.
Last round.
Ready for rebound. Last throw, ready. Yes! So, naka 3 points ka lang ba? Nandubo na, oh. 32 na lang, oh. 10 seconds. 8. 34, 32. Duwa na lang. 34, 32.
Grabe ba? Gamay na lang!
Dasig sa nagkalatabo. Dasig. Inbound by Laba. 5.
Uy!
Rebound by Vikings. Vikings. No more time. Why na? 34-32. Down to 2 points lead. For Momoped. Duwa na lang, oh. Duwa. Okay. 4 set.
Ang?
Ready for the 4 set. 4 set. Duwa na lang ang abanse. Duwa na lang. Game. 6 minutes, 16 minutes.
White na white.
16 minutes. Reminders. This is a 4th set. 4 set na ha, 4 set. Pasok ang pinakabakod. Pasok ang pinakamagaling. Pasok ang pinakagwapo.
Oh, ara lang ang panga. Oh, perdi. Dali lang, dali lang. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Last quarter, guys.
Quinto. Juntado. Aras by lap. Kinuhot. Yes. What a pinky roll for Tanan. Last 2. Naku po, walis na. Ang bilis na pangyayari ba? Escalante. Tulab. Wide open move. Wala. Big rebound to Federico. Federico searching for a pass. Lab. Continue underneath. Wala. Big rebound to Francisco. To Quinto against Federico. Penetrate. Steal. What a steal by Federico.
Grabe ni, grabe ni.
Nice defense. Hard defense from Federico. Continue. Federico to Sigura. Sigura underneath. Chua. Yes. Another foul called by referee.
Guwapo.
Numero 3-4.
Garo, guwapo nga pangalan.
3-4. Unang tira.
Gaday o sa Erbaw.
Yes.
Salted. Yung dami ito namin, naganoon.
Sobrang stangon gra.
Pangalawang tira. Ready for rebound.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect, perfect.
Syndrome complete. 2 points for Chua. Quinto against Federico. Tanan. Foul. Numero 3.
May bulan, ganun ba?
First foul by Love. Contado. Koni against Chua. No good. Big rebound by Chua. To Escalante to Love. What a speed! Ang bilis naman ang pasahan na yun.
Sumakay ka pa sa buli.
Stepping the line. Called by referee. Naku po. Bumalik naman sa 4. Nagwalis na oh. Nagdidlock Chua. Nakabingwit ng foul.
Sumakay ka pa 2 points.
Chua on the move. Power move by Chua.
Time.
Continue with the foul.
Time.
13 minutos, 27 segundos.
Reminder.
Yes!
Okay.
Time out. Turnover naman.
Turnover. Time out, time out.
Timeout. Viking.
Oh.
41-34. Galag, sorry, galag.
Score 41-34.
To Love. Penetrate by Love. Sigura for the base.
Oh, God!
Yes! Easy shooting for Sigura.
Sigurada.
Quinto to Francisco against Love. Francisco continue underneath. Tanan. Yes! Easy to by Tanan. Pass break to Love.
Tatawa sila flap to.
Turnover from Momoped. Score 43-36. Quinto again. Looking for a pass against Federico. To Juntado against Lab. De Los Santos. Power move. Quinto. Penetrate. Back to Juntado. 10 to shoot. Quinto again. Underneath Tanan. Yes!
Counted.
Easy to by Tanan. 43-38. 5 na lang, 5. Easy ball by Escalante. Wide open by Lab. Big rebound to Federico. It's a turnover from Federico. Last touch. Time. 11 minutes and 12. Francisco, continue. Francisco. Yes! What a power move by Francisco. Plus 2, 4. Vikings. Escalante. Escalante. Continue by Escalante. Sigura again. Sigura wide open. Yeah! Pumukol ng 3. Sigura on the go. Sigurado.
Dead ball lang.
Francisco. Power move. Penetrate sa block by Chua. Oh, pasok, sub. Remaining time. 10 minutes 36. 10 minutes 36 remaining time. 46-40. 6-point lead from Moped. Inbound by Francisco. Looking for a pass. De Los Santos. Looking for a pass. De Los Santos. Get inside. Running shot. Big rebound up. 14. Sub. Pasok. Pila na sa Meg? 14. Numero 14. First personal foul. Inbound by Tanan to Gumban. Gumban to Francisco. Francisco penetrate. Wow! Signature move. Reverse layup. Gumulang blue. Good play, no? Escalante to Lab. Searching for a pass. Sigura continue. Pull up. Wow! Ang galing naman. Sigura. Sigurado. From Gumban. Searching for a pass. Salvador. Tirador. Big rebound up. Last touch by Vikings. Ball possession. For Moped. Sigura to Federico. Easy ball by
Time.
9 minutes 30.
Bench down. Huwag yung tao.
Sigura again. Wala. Big rebound by Francisco. Francisco continue, penetrate, rushing away by Francisco. Francisco against Escalante. Underneath, Gumban, Tanan, yes! Numero 18, ang nagabaw. Pasok, pwede ka sa pasok.
Ang bench daw.
3 consecutive underneath from Tanan. 3 sunod ha? 4 ka sunod?
Ang bench daw.
Tanan niya. Ready for rebound. Oh, sub. May pwede ka sub. Pasok.
Ang bench ang bike. Kaya siya nagluwas.
Oh, ang Vikings ko no. Lihog. Buwan lang sa simento. Naog. Vikings. Lihog. Hindi makita rin pero naog. Oh, play ha. Ginambalan ako din ha. Nagambal ko, ginambalan ako din. Oh, play. Sumikad.
No hard feeling.
To Lab. Lab against Salvador. Laba, wide open. Wala. Big rebound from Vikings. Gomban to Tanan. Tanan underneath. Oh. Numero 7, committed foul. 2 bonus shot for Francisco. 7 minutes, 7:43. 48-45. Tatlo na lang. Pag pumasok ang dalawa, isa na lang. Okay, dalawa na lang. 2 points lead. Reserve sub. O, sub. Pasok. 1 point lead for Moped. Isa na lang mga pansin nyo ha. 7:43 remaining time. 7 minutes 43. Sumigan against Gumban. Pass to Sigura against Salvador. To Laba, to Sumikad. Hermelosa, Sumikad cross. Sumikad underneath. It's a block. Sumikad to Francisco. Francisco again, continue. Rebound by Melosa. Wala, big rebound.
Puta na, tag-sotso.
7 minutes and 14. Doble 7.
Tinatag-sotso.
Third personal foul. 2 bonus shot for Hermelosa. Unang tira. Wala. 48-47. Pasyuta para Kuales na kamok. Kung mag-shoot, Kuales. Wala. Big rebound. Oh,
Oh, sabo.
it's pasok. Sino foul rep? 0-4. Foul 0-4. Remaining time 7-12. Inbound by Love. Gumban against Sumikat. Love. Penetrate. Wala. Big rebound by Nazario. Pass break. Salvador. Alone by Salvador. 3-1. Pural and Laba. Tanan penetrate. Wow! Grabe nga ko.
Sige na guys, sobrang na yan.
Change favor. Abansin na ang Vikings. Wide open. Yes! Yes, a three. From Tanan. Wide open. Tanan iya. Isa ka kuhot, isa ka tres. 48-52. Ang bilis ng pangyayari.
Back to the ball game.
Grabe nga init, no? Grabe, gustong si Dax Black.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Size.
Mapagunti pa ko.
48-52.
Mapagunti pa ko ron.
Remaining time sa is 35. 6:35. Naku po. Change favor. Gulpian. Ilang mo?
Grabe ba?
Lima, oh.
Lima, no?
Naku po. Escalante. Searching for a pass by Escalante. Tulaba.
Time out.
Sigura underneath.
Oy!
Wala. Big rebound by Lab.
Oy!
Big rebound off. Rebound by Tanan. Hermelosa to Salvador. Salvador underneath Anasario.
Patay!
Off is a last touch. Momoped, ball position. Remaining time, 5:06. 5 minutes and 6.
Oh, sab.
Escalante.
Dead ball.
Against Gumban.
Oh,
Off.
sab.
It's a foul.
Oh, sab.
Sab, pasok. Ala lang dua ka tower. Escalante to Pural. Power move by Pural. Wala. Ang ganda ng liso. Love. Yes. What a power move by Love. Tatlo na lang. Gumban on the move against Escalante. Dribbling the ball by Gumban. Harassing by Escalante. Hermelosa. Wide open. Naku po. Salvador. And drive. Tatlo isa. Ang gamay pa naka-rebound. Naku po. 50-54. Remaining time. 4:25. Lab again. Lab to Laba. Wala. Big rebound by Tanan. Remaining time. 4:15. Hermelosa. Again sigura underneath. De Los Santos. Naku po. Time out. Momoped. Wala na ka mo time out. Sila yan. May isa pa.
50-56.
50-56 remaining time. 4:04. 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Ano mga banse? Ano mga banse? Four minutes. 4:04. Remaining time. Score 50-56. 50-56. Nadali ka mo sa fourth quarter. Pero mahaba pa ang time mo. Mahaba pa. 4 minutes. Back to the ball game.
4 minutes.
4:04. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 50-56. Aban si Anom ang Vikings.
Basketball game.
Nantaunta kahon anong matabo. Escalante, dribble the ball, looking for a pass. Attempt by Lava. Wala, big rebound by Federico. Oh! What a power rebound. What a power move from Federico. And one. Pasok. Pasok ang Masab. Ang Masab, pasok. Tatlo na lang. 4 kiri. 4 ang abansi. 4. Bonus shot for Federico. Ready for rebound. Wala. Big rebound by De Los Santos. Pass to Francisco. Protect the ball by Francisco. De Los Santos. Wala. Big rebound by Lava. Lab. Continue rushing away by Lab. Sigura. Wala pa rin. Big rebound by Tanan. 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 Still by Federico. Lab. Chua. Lab. Sigura. 3 minutes 25. Another attempt. Sigura attempt. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Gumban to Francisco. 3-15. Gumban. Rushing by Federico. Tanan. Easy the ball. Underneath. Underneath from Quinto. Love again. Love. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Love again. Easy the ball by Love. To Federico. To Chua. Chua again. Escalante. Escalante. To Sigura. Love. Wala. Oh, big rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Protect the ball. Ang reserve sub. It's a foul. 2:40. Pasok.
Oh, pasok.
Pasok. Ano dong?
Sige, oras na. Oh, sige. Sunod, sab.
Pasok.
Time.
2:41. Cuadera inbound to Quinto. Using by time by Quinto. Cuadera to De Los Santos. Isa Toko. Second chance. 10 to shot. De Los Santos penetrate. Wala. Quinto, a big rebound by Quinto. Pinyol. Penetrate by Pinyol. Agustin. Oh. What's a block. What a intense move. 2-16. What a shot. Ang ganda lang laro. Nagahabulan. Base off. Kasubra na ka mo. Kasubra na ka mo. Basi pa-technical ka mo. Reminders.
Matiktika mo na
Unang tira. Ilista mo na. Pusta ko house in lot. Ilista mo na. Pangalawang tira. Agustin. Ilista mo na. Agay. Tosha. Okay. Francisco. 2 minutes and 10. Francisco Tanan. Estel Federico to Pinyol.
Bosa!
Pinyol 9. Last 2 minutes. Underneath. Agustin. Naku po. Pila na na.
Pila time?
150.
Time out ka.
Reserve. Cuadera. Underneath. Ay! Naku po. It's a ball counted. Duwa na lang tali. Nagbalik sa 3. Naku po. Nagbalik sa 3. Sayang. 3. Remaining time. 1:42. Apat gali.
Apat.
Oh, big rebound by Chua. To Agustin. Ako po. Agustin to Escalante. Pinyol. Yes! Time out by Vikings. Pwede ka sab. Ang masab, pasok. 131 na. Pilabansin ako po. 2. Nice game. Very intense game. What a shot. What a move. What a intense move. Lantawunta. Bata Bangolas. 131. Both team, no timeout. Both team, white timeout. Momopen. Kag Vikings. Why na kamo timeout ha? Why na kamo timeout? Pasok. Ang masab, pasok. Ang masab, pasok, pasok. Abansi. 58-60. Remaining time, 131. Remaining time, 131. 131. Ball position for Vikings. Defense, 131. Nawag ka na. Anasario. 10 the shot. Pinky roll. Wow! What a pinky roll by Anasario. Federico, nawag ka lang. Federico. Against Anasario. Federico to Lab. Lab penetrate. What a shot! Wala! Ang ganda ng side step. 110. Alasing. Francisco. Anasario. Anasario. Anasario against Piñol. Easy the ball. 1 minute. Underneath. Oh! Last stop. Stop. Pasok, pasok. Pasok. 56 seconds. Op, ang kalabaw na kamo. 56.
Leog, Vikings, Leog. Warning na kamo. Warning na kamo, Leog. Leog, hindi man kamo bakong player eh. So, may warning na, isa na lang nakaruma, penalty pag gamay na.
Back to the ball game.
Ay, lapiak.
Lumapaw mo
Piñol,
eh.
attempt. Go! 50. 5-0. 5-0. Francisco.
Lumapaw mo eh.
45. Tanan against Federico. Gumban. 40. Tanan against Federico. Foul. 38. One foul to give. 38. 38 seconds.
61.
Abansi isa, abansi.
Kung sa mo maglapaw,
38. 14 set na. 25. 10 to shoot. Francisco. Still. Piñol. 25. 24. Ball position. 24 segundos. 24.
Balas lang na, tiktikan mo muli aron.
Inbound. Abansi isa.
Why na time out boting?
Why na timeout? Sigura. Sigura. So, Federico. Again. 20. 15. 10 to shoot. 3 save.
Foul number 27.
Number 27.
2 fouls to give.
2 fouls to give. 2 fouls to give.
13 seconds.
13 segundos.
Wala na sa clock.
Wala shot clock. 13 segundos.
2 fouls to give.
2 fouls to give. 13 segundos.
Wala na sa clock. 13.
10. 10. Oh, sayang. Sayang.
Warning.
Warning.
Pila time?
7 seconds. 1 foul to give. Nipis yata bilang. Nipis.
7.
Oh, delay time.
7 seconds.
7 seconds.
Five seconds. Meg.
Stephen the line.
Ako po.
Five.
Five. Naku, tinaway pa. One pulse. Two pulse to give.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Five.
Wala na oras. Five.
Five up, five. Five.
Five.
Tres.
Tres. Naku po, daw delikado. 3 seconds pa. 3.4. Naku po.
Kaya boy.
No more time.
Winning. Vikings.
No more time. No more time. What a intense